Hello everyone and welcome to Bhanzu classes. So I hope all of you are super duper excited today because as we have the session is practice questions. So today we are going to do a thorough practice of whatever concepts we have covered till now. So let's have the first question in front of us for practice. Please sit with your notebook and a pen and let's solve all together. The first question is, write equations for the following statements. So now the statements are given. We need to read them very carefully. 1/4 of a number x. So number x is already given. 1/4 of means multiply x minus 4. Minus 4 gives 4. Right? So what do we get? X by 4 minus 4 is equals to 4. Got it? Next one, 7 times m. So 7 times m plus 7 gets you 77. Yes? So 7m plus 7 is equals to 77. Got it? So this is how we get the answer, the equations from the statements. Make a note of it. Great. So moving ahead, write the following equations in statement form. So this time it's vice versa. Equations are given and we need to frame it statements. So 3p plus 4 is equals to 25. So how can we write? We can write it as 4 added to 3 times p gives 25, right? Or 3 multiplied by p plus 4 gets you 25. One and the same thing. Next one, 3 times m divided by 5 gives you 6. So this is how you can write your statements for the given equations. Getting it, everybody? So we have seen both the ways, whether it's from equation to statement or statement to equation. Moving on to our next question for the day, where we have to solve the equation now. So let's solve this equation by balancing method. So in balancing method, what do? We have to do the same operation on both the sides to isolate the variable, right? So here it's divided by 5. What's the inverse of division? It's multiplication. So division by 5 on both the sides. So we get 5 is cancelled. Here 5 1, 5 3. So what do we get? A is equals to 7 by 3. So this is how you solve your equations by balancing method. Right? Copy it down, everybody. Recall the concept of balancing method. Moving on to how do we present the steps. This is how you write it. Let's have one more equation to solve. So 3n minus 2 is equals to 46. Again, this time if you see with the variable we have two different numbers. So 2 different times we have to do it. Same operation on both the sides because we'll be solving it with balancing method. So we have 3n minus 2, its opposite is plus 2, right, is equals to 46 plus 2, right. So minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled. We get 3n is equals to 48. Now 3 is in multiplication. What's its inverse? Division. So let's divide it. So 48 by 3. Right? So here it would be 3, right? So 3 gets cancelled. You have n is equals to 16. Got it? This is how we get the answer. 48 divided by 3 is 16. So and also we have checked, we know how to check the solution. So cross check it. If LHS is equals to RHS, that means it satisfies the equation, and yes, it would. 16 into 3 is 48. 48 minus 2 is 46. That is how we get our RHS. Moving ahead to the next question for the day, where we have a word problem. So whenever you have a word problem, highlight the important words. The teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. So the highest score is 87. What is the lowest score? Let's check. So let the lowest score be x. So highest score would be 87, which is already given. The relationship is lowest score is twice plus 7 of then we get highest score. So 2x plus 7 is equals to 87. 87 minus 7 is 80. Into 2 comes this side, becomes division, right? So 80 divided by 2 is 40. Hence the lowest score is 40. So this we have solved by transposing method. You can solve with any method, right? Let's move to one more word problem. Now this is based on ages. So Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. So what is Lakshmi's age? We do not know Lakshmi's age now. So let it be any variable. If I take it x, it would be x. But Lakshmi's father's age is given. And there is a relationship given in between, that 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. 3 times means multiplied. So let's see how do we frame the equation for the same. So let Lakshmi's age be y years. You can take it any variable. So father's age is 49. So the relationship says 3y plus 4 is equals to 49, because it is 3 times and 4 more to it. Now if you solve it, plus 4 goes that side, become minus 45, right? 49 minus 4 becomes 45, and 3 is in multiplication. If it goes to the other side, it comes in division. So y is equals to 15. Hence Lakshmi's age is 15 years. And if you substitute it over here, 15 into 3 is 45, 45 plus 4 is 49. And yes, we got Lakshmi's father's age as 49 years. So we have cross-checked also. That is how what we have learnt in checking of the solution. If LHS is equal to RHS, it has satisfied our equation. You cannot get any other value of the variable to satisfy the equation except the one which you have checked it. Right? So this was all about how do we practice the different types of questions based on this chapter. So till we meet next, keep practicing more questions and spark your curiosity. Bye-bye.